Hello everybody! Happy Christmas Eve. Happy birthday to my sister Taylor. I hope you're all having a wonderful festive evening.
AKA tater salad.
AKA tater salad. We just got home from my dad's. That was lovely with my niece and nephew and my sister and my brother-in-law Daryl. It was very festive. We had pizza. No Christmas stuff on Christmas Eve until after a certain time because it's my sister's birthday. I'm rambling. Let's open some advent calendars. Day 24 of the Revolution Makeup. It's right here. One more day left after today. And it's a
Do all three have 25 days?
festive. No, NYX doesn't. It's a festive lip color. Let's do a little swatch. I tried to do a very festive look today. I did a red lip, and then I put on red and gold
Close your eyes. Yeah.
eyeshadow, but it's kind of faded away.
Oh, that looks good.
Well, thanks, honey. You're very supportive and wonderful. So, from Revolution, we got an amazing lipstick in the shade Simmer. Turn off all phone notifications, please. So, that is a nice festive red. Let's do a little swatch. That is what that looks like. Jeez, isn't that a pretty color?
It sure is.
Are you ready for these videos to be over, honey?
No, I don't mind them. I'm just trying to turn my,
You're making a lot of noise over there.
Yeah, try not to get yelled at. Okay.
I don't yell at you that often. Next up is our NYX Love Lust Disco Box. This
On my
has
side.
all come out. And I think that this is the last day. I think it only goes to 24. So here is 24.
What's in the center, do you think? Just a big empty space?
I think it's just a big empty space.
Wouldn't it be neat if there was like a big gift in there? Like...
It doesn't feel like there's a big gift. What does this look like? Oh, lip color. Shocking. It's nice to end on a high note, though. I would like to see like an eyeshadow palette. Oh no, I took my pen away.
Well, now what are you going to do?
For gift tags.
No, you broke it.
Okay, don't use your Revolution Makeup travel brushes for
Prying stuff out of there.
prying stuff out, because I just broke it. That's fun. And it's...
Want me to go find you something?
I think I got it. Ah! Thank you for offering. So I think this box is done. Let's see what we got. From NYX, we have received a NYX lingerie lip and the color French Maid.
Oh, that's saucy.
I knew you were gonna say saucy because I was like,
you already have a lip color on.
I know. I feel like it needs a little shake up. I wasn't gonna put it on my mouth. I was gonna put it on my hand like you normally do with lip colors. Right?
Yeah.
So it's a very nice purpley brown color, nice and deep. That'll be a nice winter color to wear, eh?
Especially if you're wearing some lingerie.
Doesn't smell very
French
good though.
maid outfit.
Excuse me.
Well, that's
I
what
would
it's
never do
called.
that. Nobody wants to see that, Jason. So I just destroyed the NYX box. There's nothing. There's no hidden treasures inside. But you know, it's worth a shot. Last but not least, so that was the last NYX. So tomorrow we'll only have 2 advent calendars to open.
Okay.
Glossybox. I almost said Body Show Man. Day 24 of Glossybox. It's right here, right?
Yeah.
They don't move around a lot in these shelves. Very sturdy.
Are they textured?
No.
No?
I guess I just don't move it very much. It just sits on the table. Oh, day 24. Second last day. Give me something good. Lip color?
No, it looks double-sided.
Lip and cheek pencil from... Please hold while I remove this lovely wrapping. I'm going to remove this wrapping, then I'll tell you what we got.
Is it double-sided?
Nope.
Oh.
So we received a nude sticks.
What?
Isn't that what we were supposed to get on one of the days and we got a different lip color instead?
I have to look back. Hang on.
So it's the nude sticks lip and cheek pencil in the shade
Yes.
Mystic.
Well, it says...
Well, don't tell me. So it's a crayon, like a pencil crayon? And let's do a little swatch.
Okay, I have a little mix up to bring to light here. Do you want me
That's
to
what
go
we
through?
have. Oh, one moment, please. Let me just. So this. Oh, this is from Toronto, Jason. Oh, it's distributed in Toronto, made in the Czech Republic. Weird. So that is day 24. Jason, what? So I think that we were supposed to get this on another day. What?
You're
Tell
right.
me.
So today should be a Steve Laurent lip gloss in the color of eggplant. And today we got that lip liner, right?
Yeah.
Or cheek.
Yeah,
brush.
cheek and lip pencil.
Okay, so look back through the list, and that should have been on day 10.
Oh.
Day 10 is a Nude Sticks lip and cheek pencil for $26, and it's exactly that.
Yeah. And I thought I got gypped because this was only $22.
Yeah, but
So
it was
this-
just like a
yeah.
mix up a little bit. Yeah.
Okay, so on this day, on the 24th, we were supposed to get this,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Weird.
You got that on the 10th day.
Yeah. So when I googled this, it said it was $22. How much does Glossybox say it's worth?
The lip gloss
Yeah.
is $22.
Oh, so the internet didn't lie to me.
Yeah.
Okay, so there's only one. That's why we only got one card. They just maybe mixed up the boxes.
Something like that. Yeah.
So I'm glad I got what I was supposed to. I like what I have coming to me. I like getting what I have coming to me. Okay. Day 24 has ended. The festive season is coming to a close. It's very sad. I'm going to pick my favorites of the day. I think that my favorite will be the Nude Sticks because it's a nice neutral color and multi-purpose. I don't know what it looks like on the cheek. Do I just like...
What are you supposed to draw? Oh, then you rub it in. Oh.
Does it look good?
Yeah.
I don't know if it's just like make a circle or an X or... Let's do it.
Why wouldn't you apply something like that with a brush, though? I guess it seems weird.
Well, because it's multi-purpose.
Oh, because you can use it for a lip liner if you want to do.
Or lipstick, yeah.
Okay.
So, we'll go with the Nude Sticks. And then I really liked this NYX French Maid lip. What is it called? Just a lip. And then this. I like them all. I love lip colors. So I'm not very disappointed at all with today. Thank you everyone for watching yet again. We're almost there. We're almost there. I hope everyone has a great Christmas Eve. I hope Santa comes to you. If you're into that sort of thing, if you've been good, if you've been naughty, you know, keep it up. Naughty is sometimes better. Wouldn't you say, Jay?
I think so, yeah.
So I hope you have a great night, a great day, a great Christmas. I will unbox the 25th tomorrow on Christmas Day.
Oh, Christmas
On
Day.
Christmas Day in the morning. Might be the afternoon after
We just
I've
jumbled up
had
a whole bunch of different things.
some
there.
mimosas. I got a big jug of orange juice and a big jug of wine.
You got big jugs.
No, I don't.
You just said two.
Oh my
sorry.
oh my Lord. Oh my sweet Lord Jesus. Anyway, have a happy Christmas, everyone. And if you wouldn't mind liking and subscribing, I'd very much appreciate it. See you tomorrow.